Now I've shot this video 3 times this morning and I need to get out and shoot some film. So I've done away with the Rode microphone and I'm using this microphone here because Hobson Street, which is outside my calf, it's normally very quiet on a Sunday morning, and for some reason everybody's leaving Auckland this morning. Don't know why, but anyway, so the noise is really bad with the Rode microphone, and I'm hoping with this microphone it's going to be a lot better. Now this video is just going to be a quick midweek video. I'm going to try and do more videos like this during the middle of the week so you guys have some content to watch. Now I get products to review all the time, and I tend to take quite a while to review my products because I want to basically use them for quite a while and find the good and the bad, the pros and the cons of the product. Now I've just received this, which is the Carl Zeiss 35mm f2.8 ZM lens for Leica M mount. Now I'll put it up there in front of the camera. Now I've got it on my M6 and I got it in silver because it's going to spend most of its life on my M6. I purchased this lens, it wasn't sent to me to review. I checked on YouTube and there aren't many video reviews obviously on this lens. There's a couple and they're not that in depth. So what I thought I would do, I'd do a review on this lens on my M6 TTL and also my M10P, so you have a digital and film. So my process is I just go out and shoot when I can and shoot with different cameras if it's a lens, or shoot the camera in multiple situations really. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out and shoot with the M6 and the lens and with some JCH StreetPan. Now this is a 400 speed film. I like this film, it's really nice, it's very contrasty. It's got a real nice moody look to the film. But what I want to do today is I'm going to overexpose it by 1 stop to see how the film handles being overexposed basically. If this works, then I will go out in a week's time and I will overexpose it by 2 stops. Like I said, it's just an experiment to be truthful, just a bit of fun, but it also gets me out using the lens, testing the lens and getting a feel for the lens. So you guys are going to see a slideshow now of this roll of film. Overexposed by 1 stop. Then after the slideshow, we'll have a quick chat about what I think of the film being overexposed, and I'll give you a little bit of a tease about the 35mm f2.8 from Carl Zeiss. So that was a roll of JCH StreetPan overexposed by 1 stop. All the photos were taken on the M6 TTL and this beautiful lens from Carl Zeiss, which is the 35mm f2.8. Do you like the look of JCH overexposed by 1 stop? Do you want me to get another roll and overexpose it by 2 stops? If you do, let me know down in the comment section. And also let me know, do you overexpose your film? I know a lot of people do that with portrait, but it'd be interesting to know if you do it with black and white film. It's just a bit of fun for me, this, to go out and shoot a roll of film and just experiment with that roll, but at the same time get to test a lens that I'll be reviewing soon. So yeah, I really do like the look of JCH StreetPan 400 overexposed. It'd be interesting to see what it looks like if it's 2 times overexposed. Yeah, Let me know down in the comment section what you want me to do that. Now, quickly, before I go, this is the Carl Zeiss 35mm f2.8 lens. I will be doing a review on this in a few weeks, and I did say at the beginning of this video, I will give you a little tease about this lens. Yeah, this is an incredibly good lens. Very compact, got a good weight to it, balances well on the M6, and it is crazy sharp at f2.8. And it's very easy to use. I'll leave it as that. If you want to know more about the lens, subscribe down below. In a couple of weeks, there'll be a full review on this lens. It'll be tested on the M6 TTL. It'll also be tested on the M10P as well. So you'll have digital files and film files to look at. That's it for this video. Just a bit of fun. Going out shooting a roll of JCH StreetPan, overexposing it by one stop, and getting to use my M6. Can't be a bad day, really, can it? As always, thank you so much for watching.